समासाः विभिन्नार्थद्योतकयोः द्वयोः पदयोः एकार्थप्रतिपादनाय एकपदत्वकल्पनं समासः. It means two or more words of different meanings formed into a meaningful compact word is samasa. And this compact and compound word is called samastapada. To understand this samastapada, we need to dissolve the words combined in it. This is called Vigraha Vakya. This Vigraha Vakya is formed with the words present in the Samastapada with the help of Vibhakti case and Pratyaya suffix added to the words following their relation. For example, Rajapurushaha is a Samastapada, means a samasa is formed here. How it is formed? There are two words in it which is expressed in a compact form. So Rajapurushaha, to understand that, we need to dissolve it. That is, we need to write a Vigraha Vakya. Rajnaha Purushaha. These are two different words with their own meanings. These Rajnaha Purushaha is made into a compact form called Samastapada, that is Rajapurushaha. There are four main varieties of samasas. Avyayi bhava samasaha, Tatpurusha samasaha, Dvandva samasaha and Bahuvrihi samasaha. There are other varieties and sub-varieties of Tatpurusha samasa like Karmadharayaha, Dviguhu, Upapadaha, Pradi, Gati, etc. The first variety is Avyayi bhava samasaha. This is called Purva Padartha Pradhanaha Avyayi Bhavaha. When there are two words, the first word is called Purvapada and the second word is called Uttarapada. That is, in a Vigraha Vakya, we have two different words. First one is Purvapada, second one is Uttarapada. Now, the examples of Avyayi Bhavaha. In the examination, they give you the Samastapada and you need to write Vigraha Vakya and the name of the samasa. First, I read out the Samastapada and then the Vigraha Vakya of that Samastapada. Examples of Avyayi Bhava Samasaha. Adhihari is a Samastapada. Harau iti is a Vigraha Vakyam. If they give Adhihari, you need to write Harau iti and in the bracket Avyayi Bhava Samasaha. Same should be followed to the other examples of Avyayi Bhava Samasaha. Upakrishnam, Krishnasya Samipe. Upalochanam, Lochanayoho Samipe. Sumadram, Madranam Samruddhihi. Nishkantakam, Kantakanam Abhavaha. Nirmakshikam, Makshikanam Abhavaha. Nishpapam, Papanam Abhavaha. Atihimam, Himasya Atyayaha. Anugangam, Gangayaha Paschat. Anurupam, Rupasya Yogyam. Pratyaham, Ahani. Pratyaksham, Akshnoho Prati. Paroksham, Akshnoho Param. Yatha Shakti, Shaktim Anatikramya. यथाविधि विधिम् अनतिक्रम्य शाकप्रति शाकस्य लेशः सूपप्रति सूपस्य लेशः सचक्रं चक्रेण युगपत्. Now तत्पुरुष समासः. This is उत्तरपदार्थप्रधानः तत्पुरुषः. In this samasa, Uttarapada means there are two words in the Vigraha Vakyam. First word is Purvapadam, second word is Uttarapadam. So, the second word is Pradhana, important here. For example, Ardha Pippali. The Samasta Padam is Ardha Pippali. Vigraha Vakya of this is Ardham Pippalyaha. This is a variety of Prathama Tatpurushaha. Tatpurusha Samasa has 7 varieties plus 1 Nai Tatpurusha Samasaha. These 7 varieties are named after each Vibhakti, like Prathama Tatpurushaha, Dvitiya Tatpurushaha, Trutiya Tatpurushaha, Chaturthi Tatpurushaha, Panchami Tatpurushaha, Shashti Tatpurushaha, Saptami Tatpurushaha. And the other variety is Nai Tatpurusha Samasaha. The first 7 Tatpurusha varieties are named after the Vibhaktis. Now, Prathama Tatpurushaha. The first example is Ardha Pippali, Ardham Pippalyaha. Purvakayaha, Purvam Kayasya. Ardharcham, Ardham Ruchaha. In the textbook, it is given wrong. That should be corrected. They have given Ruchaha Ardham. No, it is Ardham Ruchaha. Uttarakayaha, Uttaram Kayasya. These are the 4 examples under Prathama Tatpurusha Samasa. You need to write whatever they ask out of these. Like, if they give Ardha Pippali, you need to write Ardham Pippalyaha and in the bracket Prathama Tatpurusha Samasaha. All other examples, other 3 also should be written like this. Now, Dvitiya Tatpurushaha. Krishna Shritaha. Krishnam Shritaha. Krishna Shritaha is Samastapadam. Krishnam Shritaha is Vigraha Vakyam. So, you need to write Krishnam Shritaha and in the bracket Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Same should be followed for the other examples of Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Anna Bubhukshuhu, Annam Bubhukshuhu. Muhurta Sukham, Muhurtam Sukham. Grama Gataha, Gramam Gataha. Next, Trutiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Shankula Khandaha is Samastapadam. Shankulaya Khandaha is Vigraha Vakyam. Shankula Khandaha, if it is given, you need to write Shankulaya Khandaha and in the bracket Trutiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Here, Shankula is a Strilinga Pada. So, Strilinga Trutiya Vibhakti is Shankulaya. So, it is called Shankulaya Khandaha. If it is in Pullinga, it has a Pullinga form of Vibhakti. And if it is Strilingam, it has Strilinga form. Next example, Dhanyarthaha. Dhanyena Arthaha. Masavaraha. Masena Avaraha. Masapurvaha. Masena Purvaha. Vidyanipunaha. Vidyaya Nipunaha. Pitrasadrishaha. Pitrasadrishaha. Haritrataha. Harinatrataha. Dadhyodanaha. Dadhna, Odanaha. These are the examples of Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Next, Chaturthi Tatpurushaha. Yupadaru is a Samastapadam. Yupaya Daru Vigrahavakyam. Yupaya is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So it is Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. You need to write Yupaya Daru and in the bracket Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. Same should be followed for the other examples. Kundala Hiranyam, Kundalaya Hiranyam, Guru Dakshina, Gurave Dakshina, Bhuta Balihi, Bhutebhyaha Balihi, Go Sukham, Gave Sukham, Go Rakshitam, Gave Rakshitam. Now, Panchami Tatpurushaha. Simha Bhayam is a Samastapadam. Simhat Bhayam is a Vigrahavakyam. Simhat is in Panchami Vibhakti. So, it is Panchami Tatpurushaha. If Simha Bhayam is given, you need to write Simhat Bhayam and in the bracket Panchami Tatpurusha Samasaha. Other examples also should be written in the same manner. Vrishchika Bhihi, Vrishchikat Bhihi, Vyaghra Bhitaha, Vyagrat Bhitaha, Papa Bhayam, Papat Bhayam, Sukha Petaha, Sukhat Apetaha, Chora Bhayam, Chorat Bhayam, Ashvapatitaha, Ashvat Patitaha. Now, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Samasta Padam is Krishna Bhaktaha. Vigrahavakyam is Krishnasya Bhaktaha. If Krishna Bhaktaha is given in the exam, you need to write Krishnasya Bhaktaha and in the bracket Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Other examples. Raja Purushaha, Rajnaha Purushaha, Deva Pujakaha, Devanam Pujakaha, Vriksha Moolam, Vrikshasya Moolam, Mithila Nathaha, Mithilayaha Nathaha, Sita Patihi, Sitayaha Patihi, Rajadutaha, Rajnaha Dutaha. Now, Saptami Tatpurusha Samasaha. Samastapadam is Akshashaundaha. Vigrahavakyam is Aksheshu Shaundaha. Aksheshu is in Saptami Vibhakti. When Akshashaundaha is given, you need to write Aksheshu Shaundaha in the bracket Saptami Tatpurusha Samasaha. Karma Kushalaha, Karmani Kushalaha, Ishwaradhinam, Ishware Adhinam, Atapa Shushkaha, Atape Shushkaha, Karya Dakshaha, Karye Dakshaha, Ashrama Vasaha, Ashrame Vasaha, Sthali Pakvaha, Sthalyam Pakvaha. These are the 7 varieties of Tatpurusha. Another variety of Tatpurusha is Nai Tatpurusha Samasaha. Abrahmanaha is a Samastapadam. Na Brahmanaha is a Vigrahavakyam. If they give Abrahmanaha, you need to write Na Brahmanaha and in the bracket Nai Tatpurusha Samasaha. Anashvaha, na ashvaha, adharmaha, na dharmaha, anudaraha, na udaraha, aparigrahaha, na parigrahaha, anichha, na ichha, ajnanam, na jnanam. These are the varieties of Tatpurusha Samasa. The first word denotes the Vibhakti and it is named after their names. Last one is Nai Tatpurusha Samasa, where Na is the first word. It is very easy to identify and These examples are sure to come in the examination. In the next lesson, we'll continue with the other samasas. Karmadharaya samasa is a variety of Tatpurusha. That is, there are sub-varieties of Tatpurusha samasa. The first one is Karmadharaya samasa. Tatpurushaha samanadhikaranaha karmadharayaha is the sutra. The words used in the Vigraha Vakya of Karmadharaya samasa have the same linga gender, vachana number and vibhakti case. There are 7 varieties of Karmadharaya samasa. Visheshana Purvapada Karmadharayah, Visheshya Purvapada Karmadharayah, Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah, Upamana Purvapada Karmadharayah, Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah, Sambhavana Purvapada Karmadharayah, Avadharana Purvapada iti. Means these are the 7 varieties. There are 2 or more words in a Vigraha Vakya, as we have said earlier. The words in the Vigraha Vakya of Karmadharaya samasa have the same linga, vachana, vibhakti. Purvapada and Uttarapada, depending on whether it is a Visheshana in the Purvapada or Visheshya in the Purvapada, Visheshana in the both Purvapada and Uttarapada, Upamana in the Purvapada, Upamana in the Uttarapada, Sambhavana in the Purvapada and Avadharana in the Purvapada. This names the particular variety of Karmadharaya samasa. The first one is Visheshana Purvapada Karmadharayah. In the Vigraha Vakya, Purvapada is a Visheshanam. Krishna Sarpaha is a Samastapadam. Krishnascha Asau Sarpascha or Krishnashchasau Sarpascha is a Vigraha Vakya. Writing this Vigraha Vakya in the bracket, you need to write Visheshana Purvapada Karmadharayah. Raktalata, Raktacha Sa Latacha. In the bracket, Visheshana Purvapada Karmadharayah. Nilotpalam, Neelam cha Tat Utpalam cha. In the bracket, Visheshana Purvapada Karmadharayah. There are the 3 examples given here. Next, Visheshya Purvapada Karmadharayah. Vayyakarana Khasuchihi is a Samastapadam. Vayyakaranaschasau Khasuchischa is Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, Visheshya Purvapada Karmadharaya is to be written. Gopala Balaha, Gopalaschasau Balascha, Gopalascha Asau Balascha. In the bracket, Visheshya Purvapada Karmadharayah. Mayura Vyamsakaha, Mayurascha Te Vyamsakascha is the Vigraha Vakya. Mayura Vyamsakaha is a Samastapadam. Mayurascha Te Vyamsakascha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, you need to write Visheshya Purvapada Karmadharayah. That means, in these 3 examples, the Purvapada in the Vigraha Vakya is a Visheshya. Hence, it is Visheshya Purvapada Karmadharayah. Next, विशेषणोभयपदकर्मधारयः. In both Purvapada and Uttarapada, we find Visheshana. Means Visheshana is in both Purvapadam and Uttarapadam. That is why it is called Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. Sheetoshnam is a Samasta Padam. Sheetam cha tat ushnam cha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket you need to write Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. Krishnashvetaha Samastapadam. Krishnascha asau shvetascha Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. Snatanuliptaha is a Samastapadam. Snataschasau anuliptascha. In the bracket Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. Krutakrutam is a Samastapadam. Krutam cha akrutam cha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. Shukla Krishnaha. Shuklaschasau Krishnascha. Shukla Krishnaha is a Samastapadam. Shuklaschasau Krishnascha is a Vigraha Vakya. In the bracket Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. There are 5 examples given for Visheshanobhayapada Karmadharayah. Next is Upamana Purvapada Karmadharayah. Means the Purvapada in the Vigraha Vakya is a Upamanam. Upamanam means the standard of comparison. Ghanashyamaha is a Samastapadam. Ghanaha iva shyamaha is a Vigraha Vakya. In the bracket you need to write Upamana Purvapada Karmadharayah. Kambu Griva. Kambu Griva is a Samastapadam. Kambu iva Griva is a Vigraha Vakya. In the bracket Upamana Purvapada Karmadharayah. Chandramukham is a Samastapadam. Chandraha iva Mukham is a Vigraha Vakya. In the bracket Upamana Purvapada Karmadharayah. These are the 3 examples for Upamana Purvapadam. Means the Purvapada of all these examples are Upamanam. Next, Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah means the Uttarapada of Vigraha Vakya has Upamanam or is Upamanam. Purusha Vyagraha is a Samastapadam. Purushaha Vyagraha iva is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket you need to write Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah. Mukha Kamalam is a Samastapadam. Mukham Kamalam iva is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket you need to write Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah. Narasimhaha is a Samastapadam. Naraha Simhaha iva is a Vigraha Vakyam. You need to write Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah in the bracket. Purusharshabhaha is a Samastapadam. Purushaha Rishabhaha iva is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah is to be written. Kapi Kunjaraha. Kapihi Kunjaraha iva. Kapi Kunjaraha is a Samastapadam. Kapihi Kunjaraha iva is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket you need to write Upamanottarapada Karmadharayah. Sambhavana Purvapada Karmadharayah. The first word of the Vigraha Vakyam is Purvapadam, which is called Sambhavana Purvapada. In this means Purvapada is in Sambhavana Rupam. Tamala Vrukshaha is a Samastapadam. Tamala iti Vrukshaha is Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket you need to write Sambhavana Purvapada Karmadharayah. विन्ध्यपर्वतः is a समस्तपदम्. विन्ध्य इति पर्वतः विग्रहवाक्यम्. In the bracket, संभावना पूर्वपद कर्मधारयः. अयोध्यानगरी is a समस्तपदम्. अयोध्या इति नगरी is a विग्रहवाक्यम्. You need to write संभावना पूर्वपद कर्मधारयः in the bracket. These are the three examples for संभावना पूर्वपद कर्मधारयः. The last variety is avadharana purvapada karmadharayah. The first word, that is purvapada in the vigraha vakyam, it has avadharana. It insists. Vidyadhanam is a samasta padam. Vidya eva dhanam is a vigraha vakyam. In the bracket you need to write avadharana purvapada karmadharayah. Next, avidya shrunkhala is a samastapadam. Avidya eva shrunkhala is a vigraha vakyam, and in the bracket you write avadharana purvapada karma dharayah. Mukha chandraha is a samastapadam. Mukhameva chandraha, mukham eva chandraha is vigraha vakyam. In the bracket you need to write avadharana purvapada karma dharayah. Sheela dhanam is a samastapadam. Sheelam eva dhanam or sheelameva dhanam is a vigraha vakyam. In the bracket you need to write avadharana purvapada karma dharayah. These are the examples of karmadharaya. Dvigu samasah. Sankhya purvo dviguhu means the first word in the samastapada or a compound in dvigu samasa denotes a number. Sankhya purvaha कर्मधारयः द्विगुसंज्ञः स्यात्. Dvigu is a sub variety of karmadharaya samasa. Panchagavam is a samastapadam. Panchanam gavam samaharaha is a vigraha vakyam. In the bracket you need to write dvigu samasah. Tribhuvanam, trayanam bhuvananam samaharaha. In the bracket you write dvigu samasah. Tribhuvanam is a samastapadam. Trayanam bhuvananam samaharaha is a vigraha vakyam. Navaratram, navanam ratrinam samaharaha. Navaratram is a samastapadam. Navanam ratrinam samaharaha is a vigraha vakyam. Pancharatram, panchanam ratrinam samaharaha. Pancharatram is a samastapadam. Panchanam ratrinam samaharaha is a vigraha vakyam. In the bracket you need to write dvigu samasah. Panchavati, panchanam vatanam samaharaha. Panchavati is a samastapadam. Panchanam vatanam samaharaha is a vigraha vakyam. In the bracket need to write dvigu samasah. Shanmaturaha is a samastapadam. Shannam matrunam apatyam puman is a vigraha vakya. In the bracket you need to write dvigu samasah. In all these examples, pancha, tri, nava, shat, all these are numbers. So when the first word denotes a number, it is Dvigu Samasa. Next sub-variety of Karmadharaya is Gati Samasaha. Shukli is a Samastapadam. Ashuklam Shuklam Krutva is a Vigrahavakyam. Shukli means Ashuklam Shuklam Krutva. This is a Vigrahavakya, and in the bracket you need to write Gati Samasaha. Pata Krutya. Patat iti Krutva is a Vigrahavakyam. Pata Krutya is a Samastapadam, and Patat iti Krutva is a Vigrahavakyam. There are only two examples in Gati Samasa given here. Next variety is Pradi Samasaha. Pracharyaha is a Samastapadam. Pragataha Acharyaha is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket you need to write Pradi Samasaha. Supurushaha is a Samastapadam. Shobhanaha Purushaha is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket you need to write Pradi Samasaha. Kupurushaha is a Samastapadam. Kutsitaha Purushaha is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket you need to write Pradi Samasaha. So totally there are 3 examples given here for Pradi Samasaha. Next variety is Upapada Samasaha. Samastapadam is Kumbhakaraha. Kumbham karoti iti Kumbhakaraha. So Kumbham karoti iti is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket you need to write Upapada Samasaha. Bhudharaha is a Samastapadam. Bhumim dharati iti Bhudharaha. Bhumim dharati iti is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket you need to write Upapada Samasaha. Now these sub-varieties are over. Next main samasa is Dvandva Samasaha. Ubhaya Padartha Pradhanaha Dvandvaha. Charthe Dvandvaha iti cha Sutram. Ubhaya Padartha Pradhanaha. When there are Purvapada and Uttarapada in the Vigrahavakya, when Dvandva Samasa is formed, both the words, the meanings of the both Purvapada and Uttarapada are Pradhana, means prominent. There are 3 varieties of Dvandva Samasa. Itaretara Yoga Dvandvaha, Samahara Dvandvaha, Ekashesha Bheda Dvandvaha. So, first we shall deal with Itaretara Dvandvaha. Ramakrishna is a Samasta Padam. Ramascha Krishnascha is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket you need to write Itaretara Dvandvaha or Itaretara Dvandva Samasaha. Rama Lakshmana is a Samastapadam. Ramascha Lakshmanascha, that is Ramaha cha Lakshmanaha cha. In the previous example, Ramaha cha Krishnaha cha. Similarly, Ramaha cha Ramascha, Lakshmanaha cha Lakshmanascha. So Ramascha Lakshmanascha is a Vigrahavakya. In the bracket Itaretara Dvandva Samasaha should be written. Bhimarjuna is a Samastapadam. Bhimascha Arjunascha. Bhimaha cha Arjunaha cha is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket Itaretara Dvandva Samasaha. Patra Pushpa Phalani. In this Samastapada, there are three words. So in Samasa, two or more words may be in the Vigraha Vakyam. Here, there are three words in the Vigraha Vakyam. Patram cha, Pushpam cha, Phalani cha. Patra Pushpa Phalani. Patram cha, Pushpam cha, Phalani cha is a Vigraha Vakyam, and in the bracket you need to write Itaretara Dvandva Samasaha. Next, Samahara Dvandvaha. Samasta Padam is Pani Padam. Pani cha, Padau cha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, Samahara Dvandvaha or Samahara Dvandva Samasaha should be written. Mardangika Panavikam is a Samasta Padam. Mardangikascha Panavikascha. Mardangikaha cha Panavikaha cha. Mardangikascha Panavikascha is a Vigraha Vakya. In the bracket, you need to write Samahara Dvandva Samasah. Rathikashvaroham is a Samasta Padam. Rathikascha Ashvarohascha. Rathikaha cha Ashvarohaha cha. Rathikascha Ashvarohascha. In the bracket, you need to write Samahara Dvandva Samasah. Shitoshnam is a Samasta Padam. Shitam cha Ushnam cha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, Samahara Dvandva Samasaha should be written. Next, Ekashesha Dvandvaha means only one word remains in the compound word, only one word of other words in the Vigraha Vakya, only one word remains. That is why Ekashesha Dvandvaha. Pitarau is a Samasta Padam. Mata cha, Pita cha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, you need to write Ekashesha Dvandva Samasaha. Shvashurau is a Samasta Padam. Shvashruhu cha, Shvashurascha. Shvashruhu cha, Shvashuraha cha, Shvashruhu cha, Shvashurascha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, Ekashesha Dvandvaha or Ekashesha Dvandva Samasaha should be written. Dampati is a Samasta Padam. Jaya cha, Patishcha. Jaya cha, Patihicha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, you need to write Ekashesha Dvandva Samasaha. Shivau is a Samasta Padam. Shiva cha, Shivaha cha. Shiva cha, Shivascha is a Vigraha Vakyam. In the bracket, Ekashesha Dvandva Samasaha should be written. Next is Bahuvrihi. Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Anya Padartha Pradhanaha Bahuvrihi. In this Bahuvrihi Samasa, an adjective gives rise to a totally different noun which is not present in the Vigraha Vakyam. Means Vigraha Vakya suggests the other noun. The adjective which is used gives rise to a noun. That is why Anya Padartha Pradhanaha Bahuvrihi. There are Different varieties of Bahuvrihi Samasa. They are Dvipadaha, Bahupadaha, Sahapurvapadaha, Sankhyottarapadha, Sankhobhayapadaha, Vyatiharalakshanaha, Digantaralakshanacha iti Saptavidhaha. There are 7 types of Bahuvrihi Samasa. This has got a lengthy Vigrahavakyam. For the convenience of the students, we suggest you to name the Samasa as Bahuvrihi Samasa in the examination. For explanation, I give you the varieties. But when you write the Vigrahavakya of any 7 varieties, if you write Bahuvrihi or Bahuvrihi Samasa, suffices. First variety, Dvipada Bahuvrihi. Samastapadam is Chitraguhu. Chitraha Gavaha Yasya Saha. So, what Anya Padartha here is Gopaha. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. That Anya Padartha, what we said, an adjective becomes a noun there. That noun also should be written in the bracket. Chitraha Gavaha Yasya Saha Gopaha. In the bracket, you write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Praptodakaha is a Samastapadam. Praptam Udakam Yam Saha is a Vigrahavakya which says it is a Gramaha. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Bhuktodanaha is a Samastapadam. Bhuktam Odanam Yena Saha is a Vigrahavakyam. It gives the other noun called Raja. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Udharathaha Samastapadam. Udhaha Rathaha Yena Saha. It means Purushaha. This is a Vigrahavakya, and in the bracket you write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Datta Pashuhu Samastapadam is Datta Pashuhu. Dattaha Pashuhu Yasmai Saha is a Vigrahavakya which gives the or which denotes a Brahmanaha. In the bracket you write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Udhrita Sharaha is a Samastapadam. Udhrutaha Sharaha Yasmat Saha is a Vigrahavakyam which means, which gives to the rise of a noun called Tuniraha. Tuniraha means a quiver where the arrows are put. That is, the container of arrows is called Tuniraha. Udhrutaha Sharaha Yasmat Saha Tuniraha. In the bracket you write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Mahabalaha is a Samastapadam. Mahat Balam Yasya Saha is a Vigrahavakya which denotes Purushaha. In the bracket you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Chakrapanihi is a Samastapadam. Chakram Panau Yasya Saha is a Vigrahavakya which denotes Harihi. In the bracket you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Sugatri is a Samastapadam. Shobhanam Gatram Yasyaha Sa is a Vigrahavakya which denotes Stri, a woman. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Krushodari is a Samastapadam. Krusham Udaram Yasyaha Sa is a Vigrahavakya which denotes Naika, a heroine. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Veera Purushaha is a Samastapadam. Veeraha Purushaha Yasmin Saha Veera Purushaha, which is a Vigrahavakya which denotes a grama, village. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. All these examples are of Dvipada Bahuvrihi. Next is Bahupada Bahuvrihi. Samastapadam is Adhikonnatamsaha. Samastapada is Adhikonnatamsaha. Adhikaha Unnataha Amsaha Yasya Saha is a Vigrahavakya which denotes Purushaha, a man. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Saha Purvapada Bahuvrihi. Saha or Sa is preceding in the Vigrahavakyam. Sa Krishnaha is a Samastapadam. Krishnena Saha Vartate is a Vigrahavakya. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Saputraha is a Samastapadam. Putrena Saha Vartate is a Vigrahavakya. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Sakalaha is a Samastapadam. Kalabhihi Saha Vartante is a Vigrahavakya. And in the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Sabandhavaha is a Samastapadam. Bandhavaihi Saha is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket, you write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Next is Sankhyottarapada Bahuvrihi. Sankhya, number is found in the Vigrahavakyam. Upadashaha is a Samastapadam. Dashanam Samipe Ye Santi is a Vigrahavakya. And in the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Dasham means 10. Sankhyoubhaya Pada Bahuvrihi. Sankhya Ubhaya Pada Bahuvrihi. Both Purvapada and Uttarapada have numbers here. Dvitraha is a Samastapadam. Dvau va trayo va is a Vigrahavakyam which denotes Purushaha, men. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Vyatihara Lakshana Bahuvrihi is the next variety. The examples in this variety of Bahuvrihi are with a lengthy Vigrahavakyam. If you can memorize, it's well and good. Otherwise, anyway, you will be having choice. Kesha Keshihi or Kesha Keshi is the Samastapadam. Kesheshu Kesheshu Gruhitva Idam Yuddham Pravrittam is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Danda Dandi is a Samastapadam. Dandaihi Dandaihi Prahritya Idam Yuddham Pravrittam is a Vigrahavakyam. In the bracket, you need to write Bahuvrihi Samasaha. So, all the samasas prescribed in the syllabus are complete here with the given examples. Anyway, you have got a choice in this samasa bit, and you need to memorize all these to get or to fetch good marks.